A curve is given by r of t is equal to t I cap plus t square j cap plus t cube k cap. Alright. The unit vector of the tangent to the curve at t is equal to 1 is. Right. So, curve given in terms of the variable, that is r of t is equal to t I cap plus t square j cap plus t cube. The unit vector of the tangent to the curve. Right. We find what is unit vector of the tangent is dr by dt, differential, right? So, what is dr by dt? So, this we can directly calculate here. Dr by dt is, this is that particular normal vector, right? That is 1 I cap, t on differentiation 1 I cap plus 2t j cap plus this on t cube on differentiation 3t square k cap. Now t is equal to 1, this is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Right. Now unit vector is dr by dt divided by mod dr by dt, that is I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap divided by square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is root 9 plus 2 square, that is 4, that is 13, 13 plus 1 root 14, right. So, I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k, option D is correct, right, remaining all different from it, alright.